Hello, let's do Starstruck for January 5th. This is in the Netflix Puzzled app. If you're finding it elsewhere, then it's stolen. It's originally from Netflix Puzzled app. I had someone comment that they're getting a ton of ads and all this other stuff. And I'm like, well, Netflix Puzzled doesn't have ads, so might be using the wrong app. Cool. Well, anyway, the first puzzle is called Pile. We're going to do the easy and the hard. Let's do Pile. All right, so our first in, I suppose, is that this top row is all dark blue. And so when the top row gets a star, it's going to give it to dark blue. So the rest of dark blue cannot be a star. All right, this is just a single, that the star has to go in that region. So it's a single. Brown is going to use this column. So the rest of the columns no, and that means yellow has a star there. Blue, light blue has only a plain place. Red needs a star. Green needs a star. Brown needs a star, which then gives us dark blue and gray. All right. Kind of a fill in today. All right. As easy tends to be. Let's do the hard. Hard can be challenging. We'll see. It's called Unlucky Clover. Okay. So we start with this orange column, same as in the easy. The rest of orange can't be in because the column's going to use it. Now in this column, there's only 3 places left for a star. Wherever that star goes, it's going to touch this one and this one. So we can take out of those. We can also think about whether there's more done here. I don't think so. Okay. This one is never in though, and let me explain why. And there might be easier things to do, but I'm noticing this, so might as well use it. So look at the bottom row. The bottom row is going to have a star in it. It's either going to be in purple, and if the bottom row gives a star to purple, this obviously isn't in. But the only other option is that the bottom row puts a star in this orange here, which is going to touch this one. So no matter where that star ends up, this is not a star. I don't think that helps this too much. But this column's down to 2. All right, let's see if we can do anything with this middle section. That feels like a place to look. Oh, we have something similar going on over here that we can use, which is in this column. Oh, do we? Sorry, never mind. I was seeing things. I don't know why I was saying that. Maybe later. So let's think about some rows and columns here and how this middle section's affected by it. So the first thing I'm going to try is just isolating these rows like this. So how many rows is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're expecting 6 stars in this boundary here. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 regions. Oh, no. Yeah, no, that's not a region on its own. So we have 5 full regions within this area, but we need 6 stars. So one of these other regions will give either dark blue or orange will give a star, but that's not super helpful. So we're going to look at the columns next. Ooh, I'm in the wrong mode. I thought that was going to be a straight line. Sorry. We have this column and we have this column. Now this one's a little bit more interesting. So we've got green up here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 columns and we've got 1 star in here, 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 and 1 star in our green. That's 6 stars. So if you're not any of the regions I have forced a star into, then you are not allowed to have a star, which is actually pretty huge. And so that does, oh, and then purple as well. Can't have. Okay. So let's clear that out. And that means brown has only 1 place for a star. Now green is down to 2 places. That's going to take from the rest of the column. And now red is going to take from the rest of its column. And now the orange and the gray line up using both of these columns. We can't put a star outside of the orange and gray in these columns. Now the yellow is going to point down, and now this blue uses one of these. Okay, now how can we refine this further? Okay, well actually, this can't be in because we're going to have a star here or here, and both of them would eliminate from that guy. I don't know if that's helpful, but I like finding stuff like that. What else can we do here? Well, actually, look at the bottom 2 rows now. Just here and down. We only have purple and orange that can get stars. So orange has only 1 place that can give a star, so it has to there. And now purple has to there. And now blue has to there. We're going to clear out our pen tool here. All right. Do we have more restrictions that we can use here? Yes, this second row here just gets it from green. That's it. Now this third row gets it from yellow. Fourth row gets it from red. Okay. Oh, oh, this dark orange is down to these two. That these both of these touch it, and this is in the same row. So this is the last place. There, and there, and we're done. All right. Pretty fun one today. I was able to find some fun logic, even if it wasn't completely necessary. Always fun to find that and do little eliminations. So anyway, good one for checking geometry. Doing the row and column checks was very important. This one. Let me know how you did.